This YouTube channel creates straightforward YouTube shorts. It's only 9 months old and averages 43,000 views per day. Through promoting a link in their bio, they earn approximately $10 per 1,000 views, totaling around $430 per day. Hello everyone, Richard here, and I'll guide you on replicating this process with YouTube Shorts. First, visit this channel or any other you wish to emulate. In this video, we'll focus on the motivation niche as an illustration. This content typically resonates with individuals aspiring to improve their lives and financial situations. So that's the type of content I'll demonstrate creating today. After creating the content and witnessing its viral growth, the strategy to monetize these YouTube views involves promoting a link for a relevant offer. This specific channel utilizes affiliate marketing to promote the link, earning commissions for referred sales. Now let's delve into the type of content we'll be producing. Let's examine this short. It's incredibly simple yet highly effective, accumulating 5.3 million views. For the editing process, we'll use a program called CapCut, which is free. Search for CapCut, download and install it. Begin a new project, and you'll notice the initial step is to import your footage. We'll require footage of partying and luxury lifestyle. Visit pexels.com to find and download suitable footage for both categories. Partying in the nightclub, simply click here to download it. And for spring break, let's also download this one. Additionally, we might desire footage of a Ferrari or another luxurious, expensive setting. Now let's analyze the video structure. To make it scrollable, visit this URL. Instead of shorts, delete that and type in watch. This will open the short in a format allowing you to scroll through. Notice that the footage changes approximately every 2 or 3 seconds, and we can replicate this in our video. The entire video lasts about 15 seconds, so that's our target. Now that our videos are imported, let's arrange them. First, adjust the settings. Ensure the project is vertical, resembling the YouTube Shorts video. Click the Modify button, and under the ratio, select 9:16. Leave the other settings as they are. Now let's proceed with organizing the footage. Drag the party footage here, ensuring it fits the vertical format by adjusting its sides. It looks like this now. We just need to retain about 2 seconds of it. Select the part you wish to keep. I'll keep this. Insert a split here. Move this. Add a split here. Then, eliminate the undesired segments. Remove this one and this one, keeping only the initial 2 seconds of the footage. Moving on, add the nightclub footage once more. Pick the segment you desire, perhaps when it brightens a bit. Resize it accordingly. Now make a cut here. Then advance by about 2 or 3 seconds and cut again. Once more, delete the portions you no longer want. Lastly, incorporate this footage, illustrating that excessive indulgence can lead to less glamorous job prospects in the future. Capture moments of people partying and dancing, showcasing the transition to less glamorous employment. Now let's construct the segment highlighting how both you and I will achieve success in 3 years. First, insert the clip featuring the money counting machine here. Enlarge it for emphasis. Alright, everything's organized. Now let's insert the text. Choose from these presets. I'll use this one and drag it in. Modify the text to read "Everyone else in 3 years" like this. Opt for the bold font for a suitable appearance. Adjust the size to ensure a good fit. This seems appropriate. Preview it in full screen. Yes, the font size appears fitting. Extend the text duration for the entire party scene. Then simply duplicate the same font, modifying it to read "You and me in 3 years." So let's proceed with that, 3 years like this. Alright, now we have these 2 text segments. One stating "Everyone else in 3 years," depicting individuals partying and working, and then transitioning to "You and me in 3 years." Counting money, entering luxury cars, and enjoying an incredible place. The video is now complete. The process was remarkably swift. Proceed to download it by navigating to File and selecting Export. The optimal method for uploading these shorts is through the YouTube app on your phone. Transfer the MP3 file to your mobile phone using AirDrop or Google Drive. Then tap the plus button at the bottom and choose your footage. Alright, so here's our complete video. Click on Done. Now you can incorporate sounds, but this feature is currently exclusive to mobile use. Access sounds, and you'll find a variety of trending options. YouTube provides information on recommended and top sounds, revealing the number of shorts employing each. Opt for a trending sound to maximize your chances of achieving widespread visibility and viral views. And there you have it. Our short is now uploaded. Let's take a quick look. Be sure to provide a title and description for your short. If you're uncertain, examine similar channels for inspiration on how to approach it. For instance, the title of this one is "A Lot Can Change in 3 Years." We can adopt a similar approach, naming it where you want to be in 3 years. Utilize identical hashtags as used by others, and in the description, convey a message, such as, who do you aspire to become? A party enthusiast, stuck in a dead-end job, or an entrepreneur? The choice is yours. Choose wisely. Tap the link in bio for more insights. The last segment is crucial, as your bio should contain an affiliate link promoting a product aligned with your channel's niche, guiding individuals on the path to success. In this video, I've unveiled the blueprint to a successful YouTube short strategy that's not just theoretical, but proven by a channel that's seen remarkable growth and earnings in just 9 months. By focusing on the motivation niche, I've demonstrated how content that resonates with individuals aiming to better their lives can translate into substantial daily earnings, approximately $430, through strategic affiliate marketing. My journey through content creation, leveraging CapCut for editing, and selecting impactful footage aims to inspire and guide you in replicating this success. The process I've shared is a testament to the power of viral content and strategic monetization, highlighting how anyone with the right approach can achieve significant viewership and income on YouTube. This experience has reinforced my belief in the potential of short-form content to not only engage audiences, but also create lucrative opportunities for creators ready to harness their creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. Discover ways to increase your earnings or enhance your savings, aligning with your channel's focus. For in-depth insights into the advanced techniques I employ across YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch my last video called 17 Legit Websites to Get Free Money from Rich People Today. See you there. Thanks for tuning in.